your card is most likely going to look like this. Let me see. Yeah, it's going to look about this long, maybe a little bit longer. Probably have 2 fans on it. Have 2, 3, or even 4 outputs. And your modern card, you can use 3. At the 500 series of NVIDIA, you can only use 2. So triple display is more than what most people need. Here's the flat or connection. Open it up. Put this in. Watch out for these. Put them in. Make sure that this lip goes inside because it bends a little bit. Be careful. You put it in. Put your fingers on the other side. And it should align up and go in. There. Now, take one of these screws that you have for the case. And then put it in the actual case itself. Hold on. Let's do this. That's a direct light. Okay. Make it easier for you to see. Now, take the screw, push this up a little bit once it's been clipped in over there, and then you can just screw it in and keep it in place. So when you plug in your monitors, it doesn't unplug or damage the card itself. There you go. Now it's tight and it's in place. Then you look to see how many connections there are, and there's 2 on the side here. You look for your video card connections, which there's 2 of these for this type. And you look for the clip. Forget the 8 unless it asks for an 8. Look at the manual. And there should be 6 on that. And another 6 for this. And this is an older 560 card that has TI, that has 2 gigs of RAM. So it's pretty strong, but not a big deal. That's it.